but I bought like 2 packs of the new. I was like, okay, if I want to buy a pack of cards and start collecting fresh, because these aren't worth anything, really, how do I do it? So the original 151 Pokemon, like Generation 1, they just re-released, it's Pokemon 151, they call it. So it's the original 151 packs, but like updated.
From Bulbasaur to Mew.
Exactly. Yeah. So the holographic ones, you get 2 per pack. So I bought, and so I just ordered like 50 more packs. So they come in on the first.
Okay, so when I was in Pokemon forever ago,
I never played the game.
I did. I used to go to Books A Million on Saturdays and play and trade and all this shit. I was a nerd about it. But like back then, you'd
buy your cards for real.
I don't have them. I don't know where they are.
Find them. I'll buy them.
I don't. Yeah, I don't even know where they would be. But back then, it was like you open a pack. It's interesting how it's changed because now it's like 1 holographic guaranteed in every pack. But back then, it was like